If you want to take a screenshot on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, the standard method is to use the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, you can easily capture the full screenshot. Besides that, we also have the gesture screenshot. So with 3 fingers, you can swipe down from the top like this. And there we go, we can capture a full screenshot like that as well. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on the screen in order to then select the area that you want to capture. So you can capture a partial screenshot just like that. Of course, these gestures might not be activated, so if it doesn't work for you, you want to open settings and then go to additional settings. Over here, open the gesture shortcuts, and we should be able to find take screenshot, where we have slide 3 fingers down and volume down plus power button, and we also have the partial screenshot gesture as well. And last but not least, what you can also do is you can go to quick settings or the control center, and you should be able to find this button, the scissors one, and you can tap over here in order to capture the full screenshot. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.